521 Golden Leaf Circle, Whispering Pines, North Carolina. At Summerfield at Arrowstone of Whispering Pines, this 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home shows like brand new. On the wide open lot, let's waste no time to step inside of this hardy plank sided home with a 2-car garage into the open floor plan home, where walking in the front door shows all main living areas open right up before your eyes. The huge kitchen is perfect for entertaining, with views into the living room and the breakfast area over the top of this gorgeous island in the middle of it all, lit above by uniquely engineered lighting fixtures. From the downstairs landing, you can peer into the living room with a 14-foot ceiling and built-in shelving surrounding the fireplace, the kitchen with granite countertops, a stylish and fresh dining room off the large, wide-open and welcoming entryway. With the first room, you find a spacious and bright office overlooking the front lawn. The master suite is on the main floor just past the living room. This well-lit space is roomy enough to spread out and live large. The master bath has a soaking tub, a 2-sink vanity, water closet-style toilet, and glassed-in stand-up shower that connects with the walk-in closet, and the laundry room on the way to the drop zone near the garage entrance and the half bath to round out the first floor. Upstairs, the remaining 3 bedrooms are all off this wide-open central hall. There are 2 Jack and Jill bathrooms to punctuate these guest rooms, including this uniquely shaped guest bonus room. The screened-in porch off the breakfast area overlooks this huge and wide-open backyard that is ready for your imagination. Fencing, invisible fencing, playground, whatever you choose. Luxury Living has an address in Whispering Pines. That address is 521 Golden Leaf Circle. Call to see it today. To see this property, call Southern Partners and More at 910-236-3030. Southern Partners and More, your key to a happy move.